recording? Okay. So good evening, everybody. It's 9:30 and we begin again with another speaker and with another show. And this is being done so that everybody stays in a very good place. I've myself been through ups and downs, and ups have been that despite everything, I've sustained myself and grounded myself. The downs have been that even after knowing everything that I know, there are times when things are not easy for me. I've wanted to literally run away from my house at times and sit down maybe in a corner of a garden and say no more. Not because I want to run away from people, but I want my own space. There are times when I do look at my kids and say, oh my God, I wish. Swati, could you please mute yourself? Look at my kids and say, I wish they could help me more. And then there are times when I look at them and say, oh, how sensitive and beautiful are they? There are times when I look at my husband and I wish that he could be a little more. And then there are times when I look at him and I said, oh, wow, if I was to just leave everything to my children, I don't know how I would manage. So, you know, there are mixed ball of feelings that are going through everybody, and this is normal. This is fine. This says that you're a human being. So today we have beautiful people here on the forum. We will begin with Binayfer reading Cowries for us. And then we will go to Elena Nilofer's session. But I would like to tell for both of them, how did I meet them? So for Binayfer, I haven't introduced her for a very long time now, just thinking that everybody knows her. So let me begin with Binayfer. For the last month plus, she's been with me, helping me out, supporting me in every whichever way. A smile at 12 o'clock at night. And going on reading so that you could hear something that would put you to sleep and have a better night. She's a lady with a heart, very beautiful soul, not only outside but also inside. I've seen her at times struggling, at times laughing, at times, you know, she'll say, give me 5 minutes more. And, you know, she's probably rolling the chapatis and everything is going on. I actually found her, or she found me, about a year back when we started the journey of Meta Health together. And I teach Meta Health in India. And that's how Binayfer came before that in the Sounds of Shiva, which is run by Prasenjit, and I had also gone there to learn. I'll keep learning. So I met her there. And I actually looked at her and said, what a beautiful lady. And I didn't look at her just as a face, but what a beautiful person. So that's who Binayfer is. Let me take you to a journey that I've had with Elena. So I don't think Elena remembers this, but I came back from Czech Republic about 11, 12 years back, 2008. Very lost. So lost was I.
अभी देख रहा है कि सुन लिया न्यूज़ बंद करो अभी क्या देख रहा है
Darpana ji. So I was so lost in my space that I wish somebody could hold my hand. You know how you just search for someone. कोई तो मिल जाए जो आपकी बात समझ ले. Coming back to India and just moving 45 degrees across the globe, not in degrees, but in temperature. It was minus 35 where I was. It was plus 35 here. So that just crossed 70 degrees actually. Reached here, and everything that I called that this country is mine didn't feel like one, because I had got so used to my life in Czech Republic. Coming back here was a very big culture shock for me, and coming back into a place where my mom stays was even a bigger shock for me, because that was a place I'd spent my childhood, and all those aunties were now, you know, had grown up. I looked at everybody that looked like a senior citizen to me, and everything felt like a lost cause. This was the time when Rhythmi, can you please mute yourself? I can't find your mic. Yeah. Okay, I've muted you, hopefully. Rhythmi, could you please mute yourself? Thank you. And that's the time when I was desperately searching and I reached your house, Elena. You had, I think, samosas on one side and chai, and there was a small, beautiful place where I was sitting on one side, and then I was just looking at you and wondering what you were doing. Somebody had given me a number, and I came out and stood out for a very long time wondering what's going on. It was raining on that day, and I think there's a temple or something close by to your place, if I'm not mistaken.
Exactly opposite.
Yes. So I'm talking about the right time. I went and sat in that temple for more than 45 minutes. Just sat there, and I said, I leave it to you, God, today, what you will make me go through. I trust you that I've reached the right place. I trust that everything is going to be fine for me. And that's my journey with you for the first time. Second time I met you in Zambala, where I was talking about meta health and you were doing your bit. And it was beautiful to stand there and watch everything going by. And Manvi, could you please mute yourself, my dear? And that's where our journeys began, and that's where we kind of kept meeting each other. I am so honored to have you on this forum. So honored. I myself had a tickle inside my stomach and said, well, let me ask personal questions to you. And I said, no. No. This is a place for everyone. So Binaifa, can we first have card reading for this beautiful lady?
Yes.
Not card, but Kaudi reading.
Kaudi. Yes.
Yes.
Thank you,
I'll
Anu.
show you the chart. Thank you, Anu, for such a wonderful intro. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Both of you. Thank you.
Thank
And
you,
everybody
Anu.
here.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
So I'll just show you the Kauri chart that I'll be doing. So this is the Kauri chart, and these are the shells.
Yeah.
And the formation it makes when it's cast on this, I do the readings with that. So do you have any question, or should I just go ahead and
No, I think just go ahead.
just cast?
Yes.
Okay, done.
Let me see what message comes for me.
Great.
Wonderful. A request to all of you to mute your mic. Please, please, please. Hello, Dr. Kwesi. Thank you for being there.
So, El, the message I'm getting for you is family life is going to start getting much better than it is. There is a lot of joy and abundance as far as just going within is concerned. And as far as even money is concerned, there is showing a good bit of financial prosperity for you right now. And somewhere you're blocking yourself in seeing things at a different perspective. So it's just a thin line. So you need to just let go a little bit more, and things will just flow to you so much more beautifully than it's already flowing to you. And what else I'm getting is a lot of karma is getting cleaned in a beautiful way. In a beautiful way where you are going to feel so free in a short while that it's amazing. It's going to be a beautiful feeling.
Thank you.
So, thank you. And I'm happy I'm with you in this journey. Thank you so much.
You. And I absolutely understand that thin line. The universe is, let's say, encouraging me to open up a part of myself work-wise, and I'm saying, this is enough, this is fine. And so, yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.
Wonderful.
Thank you very much.
Binay, so can we have a reading for Zenobia?
Yes.
Zenobia, could you please unmute yourself and ask if you have a question? Zenobia, do you have a question? No, just go ahead and do the reading.
Okay. Can I see her?
Zenobia, can we see you? Okay.
She's there online?
Yes, there she is. Hi, Zenobia. Yes, she's right there.
Okay. Hi. Zenobia, any questions or should I just cast the cowries?
Just cast it, please.
Just cast the cowries.
So Zenobia, for you, I'm getting that you shouldn't feel bad asking for help. You know, you try to do sometimes everything on your own and then life becomes tough for you. So just be open to receiving help because people are there, people want to help you. So please ask and you shall receive the help that you want. And you need to do some protection for yourself. So whatever prayers you do, whatever you do, just increase that a bit more to increase your vibrations, because that is going to help you unblock a lot of stuff, which is going to clear up the path for you to maintain a happy family life. Because maybe something is not too perfect at home. So this protection and chants, whatever it is, whatever you feel comfortable with, or prayers, please do that, because it's going to open up a lot for you, and it's like your family is waiting to bloom. And just for a small reason, maybe a miscommunication or maybe some small reason, that it's just stopping you from getting back the life that you had. So just ask for help and just be a little more maybe spiritual, and just maybe say a little more chants or a little more prayers, and you'll get there. It's just waiting.
Wonderful.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Can we have reading for Ruxana?
Sure.
Ruxana, you have a question? Do you have a question, Ruxana?
No, thank you. I don't have a question. Please just read for me. Thank you.
Okay, wonderful. Just read for her. I don't know. You feel like somebody who...
Vinayfar, I'm Meru's daughter.
Ah, no wonder. You just feel like somebody very, very connected, very... I'm blessed to have you on this.
So lovely to meet
Thank
you.
you. Thank you. Same here.
Thank you. Yes, Vinayfar, go ahead, read.
Anu, just check the chat now.
I will. Can I request everybody to please mute themselves? Thank you so much.
Okay. So for you, I have got again that the minute you ask for help, a whole new world is going to open up for you. And there is so much waiting for you. So what are you so scared of? There is a lot waiting for you. There is like a whole new world waiting for you. There is spiritual work, there is inner travel, there is so much wisdom that you have, and you're blocking that wisdom. So just take a little step forward, and this help that I'm getting for you is not help from people. This help I'm getting is that you need to ask the masters for help. You need to ask spiritual help, and it's there. It's just like they're waiting to open the floodgates for you, but somewhere you are not maybe willing to accept it or not willing to believe it. Something is stopping you over there. So please do that, and it's going to be so beautiful for you. And you have a family, you have a spiritual family, you have a beautiful family. So all that is also going to grow multifold when you just open yourself up and when you just ask the masters for help. So it's going to be a beautiful journey for you.
Wonderful.
Thank you.
There are messages. Nitya is wanting a reading. Just a general reading for Nitya, please.
Yeah.
So there are a few people who've asked for reading. Nutan, Nitya, Samdisha, and yeah, just let's start first with Nitya. Then we go to Nutan. So let's start.
So Nitya, for you, I am getting whatever issues were there at home are already on the way and it's being solved. So don't worry about that. And there is a very beautiful spiritual journey beginning for you. So please don't ignore that. Just go with it. It's gonna open a lot for you in terms of being with yourself, being more grounded, and being more at peace with yourself and whatever is happening all around you. So you need to do a bit more spiritual work. So please do that. And you are being guided. You are being guided by somebody who really knows a lot. And please don't think that they don't know. It could be a person even younger than you. It could be a person who's of the same age. But just go with that guidance, go with the flow, because they are going to help you to come sort of to a new era in your life. And again, you always shy away from asking for help. So please don't do that, because that is your biggest stumbling block. The minute you ask for help, whether it is from a person, whether it is from somebody who you know can help you and you're just not reaching out to them, or your spiritual guides or your spiritual masters, please go ahead and ask for help, because that again is going to open up a big channel for you. Thank you.
So we have Nutan.
Yeah.
We may not be able to do reading for everyone because there are quite a number of people who've said that they want, and I do want all of you to have reading, but at the same time, I cannot keep Elena waiting for so long. So how long are you awake, Vinay, for?
Anu, once this is done, let me see if my kids are still like roundabout about to sleep. Then
Yeah.
I'll definitely try and come back.
Just check if you can come back later, yeah?
Yeah.
So, because there are a lot of people who want the reading and I don't want to disappoint them, but right in the beginning, it may not be correct for me to go on like that.
Yes.
Samdisha and after Nutan. So,
Okay, so should I start with Nutan?
yes, please.
Nutan, should I just do a general reading?
Yes, for her, just a general reading.
Okay. Nutan, for you, I'm getting whatever blocks that are there in your family life. The only way to unblock them is through your spirituality and the work that you do. That's the only way, and that is the only strong message that's come for you. The rest of the queries are all upside down, and the best part is you know what is to be done. So why aren't you doing it?
That's
The
very
problems are just on its way out. It's just that much in left in the door. It's just on its way out. So just be yourself. Be yourself.
Thank you so much, Vinay. We're going to take just 2 more people and then see if we can come back, yeah?
Yeah.
Samdisha.
Sandisha. Sandisha, for you, you need to trust people who are trying to guide you in the right direction. And there's a lot of inner work that's going to start with you right now and in a very good way. So please go ahead with that journey and don't try to stop it, because that's only going to cause you more problems, because what you resist persists. So please just go with the flow and just jump into this world of spirituality that is trying to open and come your way. You need to start off at least with a lot of chanting, because you need protection. You may be susceptible to picking up a lot of energies that are all around you. Maybe you feel drained at all times, or I'm getting that you tend to pick up a lot of negativity around you and also from other people. So the best way to protect yourself is, again, maybe do some chanting, whatever you're comfortable with, and try and do some modalities or something which is going to raise your vibration. That's going to really help.
Just Vinay, for you to know, there are at least about 6 more people who want reading. And what we'll do is we'll right now go to Elena and then
Yeah.
come back to you.
Yes.
So we can do this. We can have about 45 minutes of Elena speaking, and then you peep in and see. So we'll give them a break from there and then pop into this and come back again. Would that be
Okay.
okay with you? Would that be okay with you, Elena?
Yes.
Absolutely, whatever.
Brilliant. Okay. Thank you so much. I'm just taking